Clouds are all above us. They exist all around the world. Clouds are made up of many small water droplets. These water droplets eventually fall down as rain. But while it's not raining, how do these clouds stay afloat? The water droplet particles that clouds are made up of are very small. This means that they're easily carried with drafts of wind. As you can see here, if we create a flat cloud and we have some upward drafts of wind and some downward drafts of wind, we will see these bulges form. Now what takes place here to keep the cloud from falling down due to the draft of wind is evaporation. If the cloud falls down below into a lower part of the atmosphere where it's warmer, the cloud will begin to evaporate. And on the updraft side, the air filling in the space that used to be cloud contains water vapor, which begins to condense because as it moves upward, it gets colder, leading to more condensation. Clouds will stay suspended in the air until one of two things happens. If the temperature begins to increase, the clouds can evaporate, leaving a clear sky. But if it gets colder, this will lead to more and more condensation. Eventually the water droplets will get larger and larger, which means they aren't carried by the air anymore and begin to fall down. This will eventually cause rain and perhaps snow or hail if it's cold enough. So what would happen if there were no wind or drafts of air going up, down, or sideways at all? Well, the cloud would slowly begin to sink. And as it sank, it would begin to evaporate into the air and disappear. So the cloud would basically fall out of the sky if it weren't for these updrafts of air. And that's how clouds stay afloat. The small particle size, evaporation, and condensation.